page waits, quiet and still. Something's there if I let it spill. Lines don't come till they do. From the mess, something new. No need perfect, no control. Just a spark in the soul. Stay creative, let it flow. Don't need reasons, just go. Stay creative, break the frame. Even chaos has a name. Late night thoughts turn to gold in the dark. Stories told, every flaw, every crack builds a world piece by piece back. No right way, no straight line, just your voice, just your time. Stay creative, let it flow. Don't need reasons, just go. Stay creative, break the frame. Even chaos has a name. If it fails, let it fall. Still it means you felt it all. If it works, don't hold tight. Let it grow out of sight. Stay creative. In your way, what you make gets to stay. Stay creative. Don't pretend every start has no end.